Kenzie, nice calm weekend, but you're tracking some big changes.
Exactly, yeah. We have our first major storm system to talk about, so let's go ahead and get into it. First, we're going to talk about our Monday. I hope everyone had a wonderful weekend. Take a look at temperatures. We're warming back up into the 60s for the entire region, maxing out at 61 here in Santa Barbara and Goleta, a pretty mild 63 in Santa Ynez. One thing to highlight the next couple of days, we have these weak Santa Ana winds. We're not expecting any fire concerns, but we will be seeing those really cool early mornings and very cool overnights. So tonight's going to be no exception. We're dropping down into the 30s and 40s. You'll likely want to bundle up and, of course, keep the 3 Ps in the back of your mind: pets, plants, and pipes. It's going to be some chilly mornings as we head into our Tuesday and Wednesday, and then a full weather 180. So let's go ahead and get into the real thing that's on everyone's mind. Well, that's going to be our first major storm system of the entire season here, and that's going to set up Wednesday all the way through Friday. This will be a 3-day system. It is an atmospheric river, and the difference between this and what we saw just last week, well, this is actually pointed directly at the central coast. So rain totals right now looking to be upwards of 2 inches or possibly greater, and in a short period of time we're likely going to have some thunderstorms. It's not going to be that nice and light stratiform rain that we saw last week. It's going to be heavier downpours at times, and then of course really strong winds and of course flooding impacts expected. So now we're going to get into the timing and the amounts of rainfall here. Heading into our Tuesday, you can see this big storm system developing. It's not going to quite make it to the central coast until Tuesday night, very early Wednesday morning. You may be thinking Wednesday, oh, well, this doesn't look like too much rainfall. You would be exactly correct. That's just really the teaser and the taste of before the storm system actually develops. You can see it is going to be some light, moderate amounts of rainfall there. By about 9:30 in the morning, the entire central coast running into some sort of moisture. Well, that's not going to be the actual storm system there. The actual storm system arrives as we head into Thursday. So take a look at the stark differences between these gradients of greens and yellows here. Well, this is going to be our bigger storm system arriving by Thursday afternoon. You can see just how much rainfall we're projecting with this system here, and again how it's pointed directly at the central coast. We're still going to see those major impacts up in San Francisco and for our northern communities, but you can see as far as 10 o'clock in the morning, we're likely going to pick up on those heavier showers and thunderstorms. So Friday's Valentine's Day. Lots of people have so many plans. Well, you'll want to plan accordingly because, again, we're expecting flooding impacts. We're expecting periods of very heavy rainfall. Well, that's going to last into Friday as well. Here's a look at your Valentine's Day forecast. 80% chance of showers. Temperatures looking to be on the cool side as well. Overcast skies. It is going to be a 3-day period of, again, a major storm system. But let's go ahead and talk about the next couple of days. So it's all the more reason to head outside today, tomorrow. It's very mild. We're going to see those temperatures back into the 60s. Nice, bright, sunny skies. As far as overnight lows, a little bit on the chilly side, but no watches, warnings, or advisories in effect for today, and not expecting any major impacts for the next few days. Take a look at Ventura County back up into the 60s, 60 degrees in El Rio, 61 there in Ventura, and a mild 63 in Ojai. So here's our full 7-day forecast here. Today, tomorrow, just cruise control. This is what we expect to see for this time in February. Temperatures in the 60s, beautiful bright sunny skies here, and then heading into Wednesday, those clouds increase, those rain chances increase. We'll see our first little bout of rainfall there, but that's not the real storm system. I want to reiterate, the main storm system, the main impacts looking to be Thursday into Valentine's Day. Those are the 2 days you need to start preparing for now. You need to have out those umbrellas, those rain boots. You'll want to keep an eye on road conditions as well, and winds will be strong enough to down trees and power lines. So you'll want to keep an eye on the forecast as we near closer to this event. Joey, Krista, back to you.